everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, it's a windy day today, but I'm out here to try for the very first time. This is going to be my maiden. This is a UMX Timber X. It's brand new from Horizon Hobby. Let me just mention, Horizon Hobby does not send me anything for free because I'm a drone guy. So I had to buy this, and I have a ton of other Horizon Hobby planes that I'm going to be showing on this channel. The reason I'm going to be showing them is because I'm a drone guy, and I come out to my field, and everybody here seems to fly drones and RC planes and RC helicopters and RC cars. And so I'm getting into all the other RC hobbies. So I'm going to make a series about all you drone guys who fly camera drones and FPV drones, how to get into flying RC planes. Now you can see it's pretty windy. If I let go of this, the wind is just blowing it all over the place. So this little plane should be fun to fly in the wind, and hopefully we don't crash. Let's go try it out now. So in future videos, I'm going to explain a lot more how to get into the hobby, but this is a really quick one. I already own a radio. This is a Spectrum radio. It works well with Horizon Hobby planes because they're all owned by the same company. And the batteries for this little guy are also Spectrum, but you can use any type of batteries you want. They're little 300 milliamp hour Lipo batteries. So all I have to do is set up a model in here. I'll show you that in a future video. And then the next thing I do is put a battery inside the plane, set everything up. It's very simple, much easier than flying FPV drones, and go fly. And these joysticks, they do very little compared to flying FPV drones, but they're very similar in some ways to the simplicity of a camera drone. You can almost fly this with one hand for some planes. You'll see that in the future. All right, so let me put a battery in. So the most important thing with the plane is always to get the center of gravity, and I've marked mine on the bottom. You can see two little X's, and that comes in the instructions. It tells you how many millimeters from the face of the wing back, and then you match up your battery. When you put your battery in, it should balance nicely. Let's get this battery in, plug it in. It will go through its little motions, make some sounds, just like an FPV drone almost. All right, the wind is blowing this everywhere. Let's take off the throttle hold. I got prop. It won't take long before it goes up in the air because the wind is blowing right in my face. Joe, my cameraman, is over there. He's doing a fantastic job of capturing this, and here we go. Up in the air, and look at this. What I gotta do, I can almost fly it backwards because it's in the wind at the moment, just hovering there. That is amazing, and if I turn it around with the wind, we'll get some speed. Coming back this way, and there's Steve. Take your pits up, Steve! There we go. Let me bring it down lower. Joe can get it. So this timber is brand new by Horizon Hobby. Oh, sorry, Steve. I don't mean to hit you in the head. It's brand new by Horizon Hobby, and it can do some pretty amazing things, but right now this is just a maiden, so I'm just showing it to you here how cool it flies in the wind. Normally you'd fly a larger plane in wind like this, or something that goes a little speedy, designed for it, but this little guy does quite well. Here we go, let's go. It's slow pass, going by slow pass here. Nice and slow. Full flaps. There we are. Okay, I've got takeoff flaps on. I'm gonna try touch and go, bring it over here to me. There's a touch and go going down and up in the air. Okay, I'll try fast pass. There we are. Okay, let's do a pass with some rolls, and here we go. Try a loop. Flip over and flip over again. Hear my battery going down. I can get 6 minutes flight out of this, even 8 minutes if I take it easy. So let's bring it back for a landing.
Timer expired.
Let's go down. Nice and smooth. There we go. Right on. I don't know if you can see it. We have indicator lights on the wings, on the wing tip, in the front, on the top, and on the bottom there's indicator lights. And we have our ailerons, which are lots of movement. Got our little elevator at the back, lots of movement, and you even have flaperons that I can move here. Flap positions.
Flaps off.
There we go. Pretty cool, eh? And the landing gear underneath is made that you can come down with some hard landings. Look at that. It's very flexible. So if you're a beginner flying, no problems with this baby. All right, guys, so stay tuned for my videos on RC planes and teaching you how to fly RC planes from the point of view of a drone pilot. And I know all you drone pilots watch this channel, so this will be pretty informative and a little bit different than other channels on teaching you how to fly RC planes. I'll put links to this little baby below. It's from Horizon Hobby, so that means you can get it on the Horizon Hobby website as well as many other RC hobby stores in your neck of the woods. So check it out and join me in future for many more reviews of RC planes from the perspective of a drone pilot. Until then, I say bye.